Hi, welcome to this video. Do this immediately after you update iOS to iOS 26.4. Immediately after updating to iOS 26.4 or 26.4.1, you should check for a carrier settings update, right? Enable background security patches and verify your privacy settings. Also update your apps in the App Store, review your sunscreen time options, and ensure stolen device protection is enabled. Okay, so check the carrier update. So go to settings, general, general, about. Okay, if a prompt appears, update your network settings for improved performance. Enable security protections and privacy and security. So go back right here, find privacy and security. Ensure background security improvements are enabled to allow patches without full iOS update. Okay, and update apps. So go ahead and visit the App Store and update, of course, your apps. Okay, go ahead and update them all. All right, for the new iOS version. Enable stolen device protection. Confirm this is active to protect your data. Lastly, review app limits. So in the settings, right, find screen time, right, check the new capability to completely block apps, right? So basically that's it. Other recommendations: check battery health. So go back and press battery health and charging. Okay, and review privacy settings. Review settings for location services, Bluetooth, and camera. So if you don't know where to look, go ahead to the privacy and security. This is security. Check for location services. Also check Bluetooth and camera. Alright, it's probably here. Yeah, so basically that's it. Okay, find camera, right? So, or excuse me, change the camera from the camera settings, right? From the camera app. So consider liking this video, subscribe. Until next time, see you.